Hello, welcome back to my channel, Love for Reborn's Nursery. This is my signature beauty here, and I have this little baby all completed. Still have a few details I have to put on him, but I wanted to go ahead and put the body on and see how he was going to be looking, or she. That's your face. Gotta put his eyelashes in. Kind of liking it like this though. He's saying hey to his mommy. He got him a little animal with him. And this is the Reborn Joseph kit. That's it, Aaron. Here, Reborn Joseph sleep. That's him. That's my make on him. And he's supposed to be the July giveaway baby, since he's the first baby I reborn in years since I had my time off. I'm just gonna love on him, probably make some videos with him or her, however. And I'll be back for all the other details. Thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe.